Hello children, welcome to the construction part in simulate triangle of 10th grade. Exercise number 6.1. Let's read the 6th problem. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC 7 cm, angle B 45 degree, angle A 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 upon 3 times the corresponding sides of a triangle ABC. Let's see how to construct this triangle. Children, let's go to the construction part. First mark a point A on the notebook and construct a line segment of measurement 7 cm and give a name to that line segment as AB. Now, with the help of compass, construct an angle 45 degree by keeping compass center at point B and measure a 45 degree from the left side of the compass, means from A point. Now draw a line segment from B through the angle mark, 45 degree angle mark. Now keep your compass center at point A and measure 105 degree from the right of the compass, means point B. Now draw a line segment from A through the angle mark. Point out the intersection point of these two lines and give a name to that one as C. Now construct an acute angle at point A. By keeping your compass center at point A, count the any acute angle value from B point and mark that point. Draw a ray from A point through the acute angle mark. With a convenient measurement of radius in the compass, draw an arc from A point and name that arc as A1. By keeping A1 as a center, draw one more arc with the same radius. Children, keep it in mind, with the same radius. Radius should not be altered here. So, like this, the equidistant arc should be constructed on this ray. How many arcs should be constructed? 4 arcs, because our scale range in the problem is 4 upon 3. So, here 4 is a greater number. So, you have to make a 4 equal portions on the ray. Now, see the scale range. What is the value in the denominator? 3. So, join the A3 point and a B point. Now, with your convenient measurement of radius in the compass, draw one arc by keeping A3 as a center. With the same measurement of radius in the compass, draw one more arc by keeping A4 as a center, like this. Now, produce AB line for some extent. Next again. Keep your compass pointers on the extreme points of an arc which was constructed at A3 point. Now from that length you cut the arc which was constructed at point A4. Draw a line segment from A4 point through the intersection points of the two arcs and extend that line segment up to AB line. Now point the intersection point and give a name to that one as X. Now with your convenient measurement of radius, draw an arc by keeping B as center. With the same radius measurement, draw one more arc by keeping X as a center. Radius should not be changed here also. Now take a length of an arc by keeping your pointers of compass on the extreme points of that arc which was constructed at B point. From that length, cut the arc which was constructed at point X. Now extend the AB line for some measurement. Draw a line segment from X point through the intersection points of the two arcs and extend that line segment up to AC line. Now mark the intersection point of these two lines and give name to that one as Y. So children, observe here, AXY is a required triangle. ABC triangle is a given triangle in the problem. So compare these two triangle. AXY triangle is greater than the ABC triangle because our scale range is greater than 1. Thank you, children. In the next class, let we see how to construct list problem in the exercise 6.1.